Today we have a lifetime deal from AppSumo on a tool called the BerqWP. This tool helps you to speed up your WordPress website with just one click. If your website is slow, it can lose the visitors and lose the ranking on search engine. With BerqWP, you can make your site faster without any technical knowledge. And because it's a lifetime deal, you can pay once and use it forever without worrying about monthly fees. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to grab the best deals and the discounts online. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from the description to get the discounted offer. And you don't need to use any coupon or code because when you use the link from the description, the AppSumo discount will be applied automatically. Now let's talk about the BerqWP. This tool is built for the WordPress users who want a fast website without complicated settings. Normally, speeding up your WordPress can be tricky. You need changing the plugins, the image optimization, and sometimes coding fixes. BerqWP makes it simple. You install this plugin and you just need to click on a button and the tool optimizes your website automatically. This includes compressing images, cleaning code, optimizing scripts, and improving the loading speed. One of the best features is that it works for both beginners and the advanced users. You don't need any technical knowledge to start, but if you want, you can also customize the optimization settings for better control. The dashboard is super clean and easy to understand. You can see how much your website speed has improved and you can check the performance scores. Another big advantage of BerqWP is that it helps you to SEO incredibly. Google prefers faster websites, so by improving your page speed, your site can rank better. Visitors also have a better experience because pages load quickly, which reduces the bounce rate and increases the engagement. This is very helpful for bloggers, business, and online stores that want more traffic and better conversions. BerqWP also supports the one-click optimization for multiple pages at once, which saves time if you have a large website. You can schedule your optimizations or run them manually whenever needed. This makes managing WordPress sites much easier, especially if you handle multiple sites or client projects. Now let's talk about the lifetime deal on AppSumo. This lifetime deal from AppSumo makes it even more valuable because normally speed optimization tools charges monthly. Here you pay once and you can use the plugin for the long term, which is perfect for beginners, agencies, or anyone who wants to keep their WordPress website fast without extra cost. So if you want to speed up your WordPress site in just one click and give your visitors a better experience, then BerqWP is a tool that you should use definitely. Now make sure to click the special link in the description to grab the lifetime deal before it's gone. And thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to use the link and subscribe this channel to get more videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.